Hello guys, good afternoon to all my people that are seeing this. And today is especially Wednesday, and I'm gonna go take my little hairy puppy to the pet shop. So yeah, I can't wait to see him have a haircut. And yeah, so we just arrived to the pet spot where they take him a haircut and shower him. So yeah, let's keep on going. Beautiful New York Queens. Oh, Daddy. So yeah, he's right there. So go leave him to the spot. Pet spot. Always comes to me. So yeah. Oh my god, there's a cat. That's what I usually love about it. There's usually a little cat. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, so we're gonna enter. Oh, so cute. How adorable is that? It's a white one, and this is another one. So cute. So yeah, I'll see you later. So guys, I finished leaving to the pet spot, and usually he was pretty much scared, but I mean, that's how puppies are. It was so cute and funny. But oh well. So after this, I'm usually heading home. And yeah, so put some music here. Yeah, put some music on. Heading home.
Move to the beat of New York.
Okay, alright. Home. It was my home and the pet spot is usually pretty much close to my house. So now I'm starting to miss Matias. His name is Matias. Well, he's already in the pet shop, and he was so scared. Poor baby. I mean, I'm so tired. So today I really want to show you guys. Sorry, I want to show you some putty. It's awesome. You can't believe it. So I have many putties, but I'm gonna show you just this one. It's putty. It's purple. They say it's putty, but usually it's not. It's not even putty. It's clear slime. I didn't make it. It gave me a little prize because when I went to a party, you saw it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the putty. Sorry that I was talking another language. It's usually Spanish, but I mean, who's Spanish? That's how we talk. So, sorry guys. So, here's a putty. Putty, oh my god. I just like to call it putty, but usually it's not really putty to me. So, it's very stretchy. Very stretchy. And very, so good to feel. But oh well. So guys, I'll see you I'll see you pretty done when I'm, settled. And I have something special for you guys in this vlog to show you. So, see ya. Bye! The thing you will need is a bowl, and I already poured some glue. And then you're gonna need to pour some shaving cream, any shaving cream, any color, but I have a white one. Then this looks like that, and you're gonna be mixing it. And after that, it's gonna look like milk. You're gonna add some Tide. I'm adding Tide, and it's actually blue. And I'm gonna pour a little bit. Ooh, good. I poured a lot, but okay. And I'm already gonna. The more you pour, it's actually the more faster it actually does slime. But that's how it looks. It's turning up the slime. So guys, I'm almost done with it. And then I'm going to be taking out the slime. So very sticky, but oh well. Let's add some Tide, more Tide, add a little bit, not too much. So, yeah. So you can see it looks a little trouble with my hands, but it's really not. Okay, so that's how you make fluffy slime. And it's pretty amazing. I mean, so yeah, I love the color. It's also blue. It's gonna turn blue. I didn't put no food coloring. Like the Tide is blue, so it turns, like, since the color is blue, it's gonna turn slime blue. But if you wanna like another color, I mean, you can just put it with like paint and add it a little by little to the slime, or put food coloring through it. So it's very stretchy, by the way, and fluffy. Very nice. So guys, I hope you guys loved how did I do slime and learned how to do it, and it can even maybe be better than mine. So yeah. So I'll see you later when I'm gonna go pick up Matthias because he's almost ready. They called, but one more half hour and then we're gonna go pick him up. So I'll see you in the pet shop. So guys, we're in the pet shop spot, and we just arrived to go pick up Matthias. He's almost ready. Yeah. Are you excited?
No.
Why not?
Why is your camera like that? I like it like that. You guys all like.
Are you sure you're not excited? Yes, you better be. Just kidding. He's like.